Yeah, it fell off yesterday.
Sounds like BS to me.
What was that?
That sounds like BS.
It's not on the registration paper and everything.
Alright, pull over to the side. What's your name?
Matthew.
What is it?
Matthew.
Just stay there. Get your shit together. Okay? Want to race?
I can't hear you.
I said, want to race? I just give you a hard time. Right there. Don't go that much over the speed limit, shit.
Man, I'm sorry, I got carried away.
That's way too fast, bro.
Honestly, I have no reason. I'm guilty of this charge.
I got you. Okay, listen, hey, I ride a bike too, like I said, right?
Yeah.
But you gotta chill, okay? You can't listen. Going almost 80 is like way too fast, okay? Way too much. Like 5-10 miles an hour over. That's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Dude, almost 80 on a 45. Okay, that's like almost double. You know what I'm saying?
I'm so sorry.
Okay,
we just got carried away.
Hang on for a second, okay?
Right.
Tell your cousin. You said he's not from here.
No, he's not from
Okay,
here.
tell your cousin, dude, we do not play around here, all right? Okay. We will chase you till you crash here if they run, all right? Okay. So, I know a lot of guys do that, all right? But slow down, don't go that much over the speed limit here, and we won't give y'all a hard time, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I know y'all are having fun out, riding around, and that's cool. Just that much over is too fast, okay? I'm giving you a warning this time, all right? But please slow down, okay? No, that's right. Yeah, cool, man. Get where you're going safe, right?
All right, thank you.
Uh-oh. Howdy.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going all right?
Got a complaint on you.
When?
Huh?
When?
They said you were doing donuts or wheelies out here.
At which?
That location there.
Dang it. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, driver's license.
All right. I'm going to be 100% honest. This bike is not insured.
Okay. We're officially getting a trespass warning.
Okay, a warning? Okay.
If you go back there, you get arrested. Don't screw up like that because you pissed them off.
Man.
All right, let me type this up real quick and I'll get you on your way.
Sounds good. Get back in your vehicle, sir.
Hello, sir. Officer, head up on PD. The reason why I'm stopping is you're doing 59 miles an hour. The speed limit there is 40. Is there a reason why you're going so fast?
Hold on, I'm sorry about who's that?
The reason why I'm stopping is you're doing 59 miles an hour. The speed limit is 40 miles an hour. Is there a reason why you're going 19 over the speed limit?
Yeah, it's because I'm just late. That's why.
Where are you heading to, man?
Work.
Where do you work at? The one right here in Upland?
Yeah.
Oh, good stuff, man. Do you have a license with you?
Yeah.
Get your license, man. Beautiful bike, man. You just got it?
Just got it.
Dude, it thing's nice.
Thank you.
25?
Yeah, 25 R7.
Ooh.
Driver's license. There.
Okay. You got your M1, man?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. I don't know if you live in Upland. Yeah, you do, man. We have a Right to Live class. I'm not sure you're familiar with it.
Right to Live, no.
No? I don't know if you have us on Instagram. We usually post it. It's basically a motorcycle safety class that we kind of host for free.
Oh, is it on the? This is on the police Instagram, right?
Yep, the Upland Police. Yeah, we usually post it there. The dates. I'm not sure if we don't have a date right now, but we regularly post it. So just keep an eye out on it. Okay. Give me a few minutes. Let me just check your license. What year? You said it's 25, right?
25, yeah.
Just give me a few minutes. Let me just check everything, make sure everything's good, and then you'll be on your way. Okay, bro?
Yeah. Thank you.
Here's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna give you a written warning. All it's saying is that I stopped you. I told you to please slow down, okay? Because it's unsafe driving at that speed, okay? Your signature right here in the black box. It says no court, warning only.
Okay.
And here's that copy of what you signed. Basically states warning only, no court. You don't have to do anything. It's just for your records.
Thank you very
please slow
much.
down, man. We get a lot of accidents, especially involving motorcycles, driving at a high rate of speed. Just please, okay? All right, man. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, you too.
All right, man.
Huh? No. I wasn't doing wheelies. I didn't know one of us was doing wheelies.
I'm not blind, I got glasses on, I can see.
Well, whoever it was, we'll just stop.
Well, it wasn't you, because you got the orange bike. Were you doing wheelie?
Doing what?
A wheelie?
I just pressed the gas a little too hard. He was dropping his bike up there. There was kids over there. We redlined it.
I'm on now, don't bullshit me.
We're sorry.
If you accidentally give it too much gas, you're gonna fly off the bike. So that was a controlled maneuver.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm just letting you know that now I got your plate, and if I catch you again, your bike's gonna be towed. There's a reckless op. And we're taking people to jail for that now.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Because it's summertime and because of the mile, the mayor doesn't want us to mess around with it. So.
Oh, because of Park Ave?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't even go there.
It's citywide now.
Sorry, I'm mistaken you. There was kids over there, and I was bopping my engine a little bit.
I know. I wear a uniform, and you guys think we're stupid.
No, I thought you were referencing towards that.
Cameras and everything. All I do is pull up the footage, and
yeah.
I'm sitting there looking at you. I'm just letting you know because I'm giving you a warning now. But yeah, we're taking people to jail for reckless op. When you do a wheelie, it's reckless op. Okay. We're towing your vehicles, and it is what it is.
We got you. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Cool about it.
I understand. I got you, sir.
Yeah. Just like I said, if you're gonna do it, find over there by the airport. There's fucking a road back there where
that's where we. Yeah.
But if you're on the main street like this, yeah.
And I wasn't trying to be a jackass. I genuinely thought you were talking about the kids over there. I wasn't like.
I was sitting there watching somebody doing a wheelie. I was like watching.
Yeah.
I was like, really, right here? I know it's dark. It's a blacked out vehicle, but I still got police on the side.
Yeah. No, we got you, sir.
Yeah, we got you. Like I said, find somewhere where there's no cars or anything like that. Nobody's gonna call on you. We won't bother you. You're on the main road, and the mayor's being the way she is, where she doesn't want any of this nonsense going on, then yeah, it's gonna be pretty bad. So, like I said, just find somewhere safer and quieter to do it.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
You got your driver's license?
Yes, sir.
I pulled you over because of what you did over there at the light.
Sorry?
The way you took off at the light. You grab your key, don't worry about that.
Oh, okay. Hi, sir. Yeah. I apologize.
It's alright, man. I do the same thing.
Oh, what was that?
You just did it in front of everybody and in front of me, so I gotta pull you over, alright?
Okay.
Take it easy, alright?
Thank you.
Well, you know why I'm stopping you, obviously. No tag, you're with a group.
I got a tag.
Being it to me doesn't mean that you can take your tag off.
I don't want people taking pictures of my tag, so.
You're getting a ticket today.
That's cool. Next time, don't stop. I gotcha. What's the ticket for? Improper display?
You don't have a display. It's not improper.
It is.
Can you read me the numbers of that?
Which is improper display. It's not displayed property. Not that it's not on the bike. It's on the bike.
There's no tag. Look at there. Look.
Look at this. It's legally on the bike.
I can just tow the bike. Okay. I'm gonna mark that so you know that the court knows that it's completely flipped around and screwed in. He's gonna get a ticket, so. You know, you deliberately turn it around. If you want to make a bad decision, you can make a bad decision, and that might not cost you your life, all right?
If I wanted to run, I would have lost your ass a long time ago.
We'll just put you in jail.
No, you won't, because you'd have to catch me first. Ticket for improper display?
Sure is. Display a plate.
Display?
So you don't display the plate correctly.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, that's fine. I just know next time don't stop.
I wouldn't recommend running.
Freeways, if I wanted to stop, I'd have been gone.
Listen.
I'm just saying.
You don't want to get charged with felony. Plus, you come to these deck meets, but we have cameras, and they're really good cameras. I mean,
apparently, if the plates flipped around, you couldn't
Yeah,
catch.
but I mean, now we have.
Now we know.
Now we know your bike.
Well, it's a good thing it's a wrap. Should have booked it. He said you would have got you. I said, what the fuck are you talking about?
Officer Steele with City of Petoskey, okay? You know I'm stopping you today?
Probably my sticker.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons, okay? Do you just want, you can have a seat on the bike if you want.
I mean, up to you.
Okay, where are you coming from today?
School.
Okay, where do you go to school at?
Petoskey High School.
Okay. Alright, do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't think it's under my name, but I'm on the insurance.
Okay, who's
And then-
registered to?
My dad.
Your dad?
Because I had this bike before I was 18.
Okay.
And then, if you can see, my orange sticker was there. Someone just kind of took it. I also have pictures to show that there is that on there.
What do you mean someone kind of took it?
Someone took it. I got a picture of the 25 sticker on there.
Oh, okay. So it's updated, you just don't have the proper
Yeah, you can
sticker on
run the
there?
plate and everything.
Okay. Alright, no problem. Do you have the insurance?
Yeah.
Any reason you're super shaky? Just nervous, or?
I mean, no. It's just kind of like I wasn't expecting it because I wasn't really doing anything, so.
Oh, alright. Well, you might left to center and your sticker's green, which means that it's...
Oh, yeah, that's to see if you were behind me.
Okay, why are you looking?
Because, I don't know, I'm just seeing. Is it illegal to look at cops?
No, but it's illegal to have expired registration, and it's illegal to drive left of center, almost causing an accident.
I mean, I did.
Understand?
Like, I'm not like trying to argue anything, but I did look forward before I like look backwards.
Okay, but it caused you to swerve left, so that's why. Okay.
You know what's going on tonight. I know what's going on tonight, right? You gonna talk to me like an adult and telling me that you were going down to that street racing event?
I'm not going to a street racing
Are you just
event.
covered in cameras like this for no reason?
I mean, I do that to like create content, but I'm not like the guy that does like.
You have 1, 2, 3.
This is an audio device.
Huh?
This is an audio device.
Is it approved by the DOT?
I would
It's
assume.
not. I can tell you, anything affixed to the helmet is not. I took the motorcycle enforcement course, so I can tell you it's not. You can't have anything that interferes with the helmet. You can't have anything hanging off. Okay?
Okay.
That's the truth. You have the. I'm not a dummy. I know why plates are bent up like that. You're lane splitting. You're risking your life. You're not wearing anything reflective on your shirt. You're not even wearing safe boots. I used to ride.
These are motorcycle shoes. They're TCX motorcycle shoes. I bought them from Cycle Gear.
You're risking your life. You understand that, right? Okay. You can't lane split. You're gonna hand me a PBA card that's a year out of date.
That should be up to 2024. I didn't know that.
2024. Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing? Like, what are we doing here tonight?
I'm riding to Belmore Car Show.
You're Belmore car show.
Yeah.
Not down to Vets Highway.
No. You can follow me if you want.
I don't want to follow you to.
I'm being completely honest.
There's a lot of nonsense going on tonight with street racers, okay?
I'm not a street racer.
I don't want you.
I can tell you that honestly. I'm not a street racer.
I believe you. I don't want you getting killed by these lunatics. You saw all those highway guys going by?
No.
You didn't see all those cop cars going by?
Oh, yeah. That I know.
We're all going to that.
Okay.
So after the light cycle, drive safely, go where you're going to go. Get something reflective on your vest.
Okay.
Drive safely.